Today we're going to Los Alcázares. Alcázares. How do you say it again? Los Alcázares. Los Alcázares. Today we're going to Los Alcázares to check out all the beautiful things in this Spanish city. Spanish? Today we're going to Los Alcázares to check out all the wonderful architecture and beautiful scenery here in this wonderful Spanish village. I'm Matt.
Hi, I'm Kyla.
Hi, I'm Indy.
And we are living full-time in our van, travelling...
This is Matt.
Oh, what? My name is Daddy. And we are living full-time in our campervan Bovana, and we are currently travelling through Europe and taking you on some wonderful places and beautiful things you can see.
And Mom.
Mummy. Mummy.
Things have been very up and down, which there will be videos about. There is going to be new videos coming to the channel as well, in the form of a kind of podcast style van life chat, where we tell you the real van life.
Yeah, like how we broke down.
How we've broken down twice.
Again.
Technically 3 times if you include the other van. How much it costs, how we make money, where we eat, everything, where we poo, and things like that. So, please drop us a subscribe. More people watch this video than subscribe. We know that. I've looked at the numbers. So please, if you do like our content, drop us a subscribe and let us know if you are a new watcher in the comments. But now, should we go to Las Alcázares? Let's go to Los Alcázares and we'll show you around.
Hi, I'm Kyla.
Hi, I'm Indy.
And I'm Matt.
And this is our home, Bovana.
And this is our journey from going from a 9 to 5 to living outside. Our boho family adventure. So it's currently 18 degrees in February here in Los Alcázares, and we are on one of our favourite little stops, which is a park Indy likes, on the way to the other park Indy likes, on the way to the beach Indy likes. So if you can see, we are true family van lifers, where we have no idea what we're doing, but our daughter rules the roost. We've been here for a few days. Have you been enjoying it?
Yeah, it's good to stop. Although the reason we've stopped is not so good.
Yeah, so we've broken down again.
See?
Only a silly thing, which is easily rectified, but I'll talk to you all about that later anyway. So, Indy,
Yep.
do you like this path?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
She's climbing.
Oh,
So we're going to take you through the village, into the town, onto the beach, and show you our favourite drinking locations. And we'll show you the beach, the nice restaurants we found, just so you guys have got an idea that if you're ever in this region of Murcia in Spain, make sure you come and check out Los Alcázares. I'm getting there, Los Alcázares. And yeah, let's go and see what we can find and show you what's going on. Kyla, any last thoughts?
I want to go on the swing.
Kyla is on the Teach Indy the Green Cross Code mission, aren't you?
Yep.
So we're trying to get Indy to be the person who controls when we cross the roads, so she can tell us what to do. And do you know what? She's picking it up super quick. So everywhere dotted around this brilliant little village, town, I don't know what level of state it is, but there are artwork everywhere. Like, and I don't just mean little, I mean huge building size artwork. And they are everywhere, just dotted around. You'll go around a corner and you'll see a giant Humpty Dumpty or a woman swimming. So I'm going to try and show you a few of those.
Every day is a wonderful day. Who knows what we'll see? It could be anything, 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 anything. Oh yeah. Life is our paintbrush, and we We are in no rush to use up all the colors of the rainbow. Red, green, orange, yellow, blue, indigo and violet too. These are all the colors of the rainbow. Yeah, we're making rainbows. Yeah, we're making rainbows. Yeah, we're making rainbows. Every day is a wonderful day. Who knows what we'll see? It could be anything, 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 thing, anything, 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 thing. Oh!
Absolutely love it. Nice one. Absolutely loving all of this huge art everywhere.
Love is our life force. It runs through us like a wild horse. The more you feed it, the stronger it grows. Me and you are the same, just different colors and different names. We all live in the same rainbow. Yeah, we're making rainbows. Yeah, we're making rainbows. Yeah, we're making rainbows. Love is a rainbow. Light it up and watch it glow. Life is a rainbow. Just wanna let you know that every day is a wonderful day. Who knows what we'll see? It could be anything, 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 anything.
Dorothy! So that San Antonio is, I would say, our favourite restaurant here in the Bay. They do, we haven't been for breakfast, but they do an English breakfast for €4.50, and between 5 and 10 they do a 5-course meal. It's actually 6 because they give you an extra one for €9.50, and on a Thursday and a Wednesday you get buy one get one free bottles of wine. Beach is a little bit sandy, a little bit dirty, a little bit stony, not really great for sandcastles and stuff, but the water is exceedingly clear. It's crazy how clear it is, especially with it only being like a harbour. Restaurants and bars are lovely around here. Got a little band playing over there by the look of it. Let's see if we can get some of that and have a little bit of a dance, I think. But, yeah. Look at this view.
So we went to that beach yesterday and I eyed this seahorse up for Indy, didn't we? Yeah. And then today we went back and we had to just get it, didn't we? And it's also for a good cause as well. So they do, what is it, Matt? They do.
It looks like it's for the the conservation of the wildlife for the area, which is really cool, which we love.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's a big fishing bay. You're allowed to fish between certain hours, so they're there to make sure that the marine life, like the seahorse, survives.
Oh, there's so many fish in the sea. Oh.
So this is our favourite little spot. It is a park with a tiny little outdoor bar. It's called Mar Menor, and they have lovely red wine. They normally have nice pints of beer, but they run out, so Kyla's got a little bottle of beer. We've had 2 empanadas, 1 fish and 1 tomato, and then they gave us some olives and crisps for free to finish off a wonderful day.
Olives.
Ran Los Alcázares. Did I say that right?
I don't know.
I think I said it right. These are amazing.
How does seahorse?
We'll see you back at the van.
Hola! What is going on here? What is that? I look like a pineapple. I am a pineapple. We have a pineapple. We have a pineapple. Oh, we've just had a lovely light tea. That's not to say that we weren't tempted by the multiple I don't know what's going on with my hair here. Multiple choices of restaurants down the beach.
Yeah, as
Go get it, go get it.
as you can see, the village here at Los Alcázares is loads of brilliant restaurants, but they're all really authentic Spanish. They literally close the roads off and fill the roads with
So cheap.
all of the tables and chairs.
In a minute. Go on, tell me.
And I got a seahorse with music and squeak. And I got this from on the beach.
Yeah, so this was a little stall by the side of the beach, which was selling things to raise, as you can see, there's to raise money for awareness and to look after the marine life, because it's a big, beautiful piece of water.
Yeah, so I love diving, scuba diving, and marine conservation is something that I'm quite...
Me too!
Yeah, sure.
And
Go on.
no, after you.
Yeah, it's just something that I will always support. The
After
marine...
me, please.
Yeah, sure. So yeah, so we bought these.
After me,
We wouldn't
please.
usually spend that much, but it was for good cause.
Yeah, it was 18 euros for the teddy and the top, which is 15 quid-ish, and you know we've been in that area. We've been in this area now for a few days. We've been on the beach. We've appreciated everything, and you know some people say Spain's not a very nice place to be, but every place we've been to has given Indy free sweets, free lollipops,
my
give us
God,
free
yeah.
crisps,
Yeah.
free food. We go back to this the little bar by the playground, and every time super friendly. Oh, you say hello, chica, bye bye, my love, to Indy,
sweet.
and you know we don't spend a lot. We have a glass of wine and a beer, and you know it's 4 or 5 quid, and it's a really easy one.
Excuse me?
Yes,
Little
dear.
Legs wants to say something.
And can I go first?
Yeah,
Yes.
sure, go on then.
And we just got this amazing toy and just hold it. Hang on, everybody. Let me check this out. There. And got this music.
What else has it got?
And
Squeaks.
squeak, squeak. And this, and Daddy think is a dog toy. And Daddy thinks this is a dog toy. And Daddy think I'm a dog.
Woof, woof.
No, Daddy doesn't think you're a dog.
I do think she's a dog. She's a
Oh.
crow. She likes shiny things.
Magpie,
So
not
magpie,
crow.
not a crow. She's a magpie. She likes shiny things.
Oh yeah, going back to the whole free stuff thing. We went to the garage yesterday, didn't we, to go and pick up a baguette, and she wanted a bowly thingy. I'm gonna say because it's too late for her to have it now. And he was like, oh no, she can have it, and I was like, oh thank you. And then we went to, where did we go after that? So, well, the last one was the crisps and olives in a bowl for free, making sure that she had.
Everywhere gives you bar snacks.
Oh yeah, that's it. So we went to another one on the beach yesterday, and
Alaska bar.
The Alaska bar, and he just kept giving, you know, those really nice. It's got like nuts, and it's like a Bombay mix, but not. It's just really nice. And she really, you cheeky sausage, you said you could have another one. And yeah, so she went in, and he was like, "Could you want some more?" And just kept giving her free stuff. It's
And
so
you've
lovely.
got to think as well.
It's really nice.
The drinks we're buying. So if I have a glass of wine,
These gummy sweets.
if I have a glass of wine and Carla has a pint of beer, it tends to come between 4 and 6 euros.
Yeah.
Depending on where we are, which is insane. So anyway, Mommy and Daddy's treat is this. This one was €1.05, but it's normally 99 cent. Yeah, so 80p, and it's nicer than a 5 quid bottle of wine out the supermarkets in the UK.
Yeah.
And it's just easy to grab. Everywhere sells it. It's amazing. But I've really enjoyed being here. We decided to slow down and make sure we spent time in places to get to know them and understand the area, get used to the people, start trying to speak more Spanish as well.
We have been learning.
So we've been really trying.
Indy's doing good as well.
Yeah, Indy's doing really well.
Really good.
So we can't recommend this place more. I think it's been brilliant.
Yeah, I think another thing is just like, if you don't have to rush, don't, because you find out more about a place by staying in one place for longer than we have done rushing through France, only because it was cold and our thing was to get down to where it was warmest. That's exactly what we've done, but now we've slowed down. I'll remember this more than any of the places that I've just been to, because I can't seem to when we're going so fast, I don't remember them, do I?
Especially if you're just driving, filling up with fuel, getting gas, parking up for the night. All right, let's leave because we're trying to get to the weather. Yeah. But we've been here for over a week now. Yeah, I mean, I've had a lot of work to do. When they say, you wait for a bus and then none come and then all of a sudden they come at once. That's kind of how it has been. Like, I've been, the past couple of weeks, I've had nothing, which is fine, because that's not a problem. And then all of a sudden I've got four or five jobs come in all at once, and so we just said, like, let's just stay put for a week. And this air we're on, it's got water emptying and waste as well. It's full. It's literally coming one go, one turn up. But there is a section just across the road with no services, so they all come over, use the services and go and park over the road. So I would say there's a good 40-50 motorhomes in kind of a 200 metre radius. So what's it called here again?
I can't pronounce it, I'm rubbish.
Los...
I keep saying, I'll put the bits and bobs on the screen. Yeah. But anyway, I'm just yapping on now. This video is probably super long and I've probably cut most of it out anyway. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Make sure you check out us on the socials as well. And please let us know in the comments, what is your favourite place in Spain? Say, see you soon!
See you soon!
See you soon!
Ding the bell.
Ding the bell!
Subscribe. And smell Indy's pum.
And what? And ding the bell.
Ding the bell, right. Bye!
Bye! Please subscribe for more of our videos and make sure that you come and say hi in the comments.
See you next week. Bye!